सो अब फोर्थ यूनिट है हमारा मैथमेटिकल प्रिलिमिनरीज फॉर लॉसी कोडिंग। सो फोर्थ यूनिट पूरा का पूरा लॉसी है, लॉसलेस कहीं पे भी कुछ नहीं है। सो सबसे पहला हमारा टॉपिक फोर्थ यूनिट का है, दैट इज अ मॉडल। सो जब हमने लॉसलेस कंप्रेशन देखा था तो इन दैट केस देयर आर अ वैरायटी ऑफ अप्रोच अवेलेबल फॉर द लॉसलेस कंप्रेशन, बट in the case of lossy compression, model play an important role, and the set of model we can draw for lossy compression is much wider than the set of model we have studies for lossless compression. आप लोगों ने सेकेंड यूनिट में भी मॉडल्स पढ़ा है, सॉरी फर्स्ट यूनिट में, दैट फॉर द लॉसलेस, बट हियर जो फोर्थ यूनिट में मॉडल्स पढ़ेंगे दैट्स आर लॉसी. So this one is the more wider in compare of lossless compression, and there are various types of model. Few of them we have studies here. First one is a probabilities model. First one is a probability model. So probability model used for the design and analysis of lossy compression scheme differ from the use that where we are using in the case of lossless. And what are the difference? When we developing model in case of lossless, we try for an exact match. मीन्स लॉसलेस के केस में हम जब प्रोबेबिलिटी पे करते थे, इन दैट केस इन प्रोबेबिलिटी मॉडल वी ट्राई टू फाइंड द एग्जैक्ट मैच, and the probability of each symbol was estimated as part of the modeling process. But in the case of lossy compression, modeling source in order to design or analyze that we look more to the general rather than the exact compression. मीन्स हम लॉसलेस के केस में एग्जैक्ट कंप्रेशन करते थे, मीन्स देयर आफ्टर इनकोडिंग वी फाइंड अ decode and after decoding we find exact word. सो हमारा पूरा का पूरा फोकस होता था कि दैट वी फाइंड द एग्जैक्ट कोड, मीन्स देयर इज नो एनी लॉस इन द डेटा in that case. But here is a lossy, so we have not focused on the exact data, but we have focused on the general format. So the reason are more programmatic than theoretical, and certain probability distributions functions are more analytical tractable than others, and we try to match the distributions of the source with one of the distributions. And there are various distributions in the case of probability model, like as a uniform model, Gaussian model, Laplacian transformation model, and gamma distributions model. And these are the four probability model used in the case of lossy compression. So first model is a probability model, and in probability model we have applied four methods, that is the uniform, second one is a Gaussian, third one is a Laplacian, and fourth one is a gamma distributions. So we study one by one, only theoretical portion, not the mathematical portion. Or so what are the uniform distributions? First one is what are uniform distributions? So suppose we have not know any idea or anything about the distributions of the source output. We have no any idea about the distributions of source output except possibly the range of values. Means we have only knowledge about the range of output values, but we have not idea about the distributions of the output. Then we can use uniform distributions to the model of the source. A simple approach. We have only the idea about the distributions of the source output. We have no idea. We have no idea about the distributions of the source output, but we have some idea about the range of the output. Means this one lies between 0 to 1. This code will lie from 1 to 2. This code lie from 2 to 3. We have an idea about range. But what are the exact distributions? We have nothing. So in this case, we use uniform distributions. And the probability density function, this one is the probability density function, this one. So probability density function for a random variable uniformly distributed between A and B. So what are the probability density function? That is the fx of x. And this one, if x की value lie between A to B, then this output will be 1 by B minus A. And अगर x की वैल्यू A से B के बीच में लाई नहीं कर रही है, then 0. Suppose A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. These two are the range for the distributions. So suppose the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 2. And the value of x is a 1.8. So we can say that this x means 1.8 lie between 1 to 2. Means this 1.8 is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 2. So what will be the probability density function fx is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. Means 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And suppose that if the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 2 and the value of x for which we perform uniform distributions is 0.3. So the value of x is 0.3, the value of A is 1 and value of B is 2. So this 0.3 cannot lie between 1 to 2. So for 0.3, the probability density function fx will be 0, means the second case, this one. So with the help of this, we can perform uniform distributions, and this is only for the lossy. Because in case of lossy, we have not mind the exact matching. We have an idea that there are some mismatches available because this is a lossy, and some data will be lost because the nature of lossy compression. Second one is a Gaussian distributions. So in Gaussian distributions, it is a mathematical tractable and by virtue of the central limit theorem. What is the central limit theorem? We will discuss later. So it can be argued that in the limit, the distributions of an interest goes to a Gaussian distributions, and this Gaussian distributions you have studied in second year mathematics. Second year mathematics में what is the Gaussian distributions, ये सारे आप लोगों ने पढ़े होंगे. But the application of the Gaussian distributions in the case of lossy compression is this. So the probability density function for the case of Gaussian distributions. Previously, we have studied the probability density function for the uniform. That one is a fxx is equal to 1 by b by a or 0. But in the case of Gaussian distributions, the probability density function for a random variable with a Gaussian distributions, and for mean is represented by mu and the variance is a sigma square. So what are the probability density function? This one is expressed by the given equations, and the equation says 1 divided by under root 2 pi sigma square, where the sigma is the variance, and exponent, what is the exponent? X minus mu ka whole square divided by 2 sigma square, and this one is calculated in the negative format, means minus. So this one is the equation for the Gaussian distribution. Third one is the Laplacian distributions. So many sources that we deal with the distributions that are quite peaked at zero. Means, for example, speech consists mainly of silence. Therefore, sample of speech will be zero or close to zero with high probability. Image pixels themselves do not have any attractions to small values. However, there is a high degree of correlation among pixels. Therefore, a large number of pixel to pixel difference will have value close to zero. In this situations, a Gaussian distribution is not very close match to the data. A closer match is the Laplacian distributions, which is packed at zero. Means what? कि एक एग्जांपल ये सोचिए कि अगर मैं स्पीच दे रहा हूं देन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ माय साइलेंस इज हायर देन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी नॉन साइलेंस. सो जहां पे आपकी जीरो वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है इन दैट केस वी अप्लाई लाप्लासियन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एंड दिस लाप्लासियन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन is defined by this one. Fsx is equal to 1 divided by under root 2 sigma square exponent minus under root 2 mod x divided by sigma, where sigma square is the variance for the Laplacian distributions. Next one is the gamma distributions. So a distribution that is even more packed, though considerably less tractable than the Laplacian distributions, is the gamma distributions. The distributions function for gamma distributions random variable with a zero mean and the variance of sigma square is given by the given function. So the distributions of fx of x is equal to 4 under root 3 divided by under root 8 pi sigma mod x exponent minus under root 3 mod x divided by 2 sigma. So this one is the 4 distributions, and this one for your level, this one is only theoretical part. You have got a question that write down the short notes on the gamma distributions, or write down the short notes of lossy compression or Laplacian transformation or Gaussian distributions or uniform distributions. Only short notes. So there is no any mathematical implementation at your level. So we have not discussed the mathematical implementation of any 4. This one is the graphical representation of the uniform distributions, Gaussian distributions, Laplacian and gamma distributions. So this one is the distributions. What will be? This one is the range in x-axis. This one given is the range, that is a -6 to -4, -4 to -2, -2 to 0, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, and this one is the distributions function. So in case of distributions, means in case of Laplacian, see, in case of Laplacian, the range is -2 to 2 and the distributions function is shown by digital format. Means either value 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1.2, 1.3 or 0.8, 0.4, 0.6 something. So या तो 0 होगा या फिर कोई वैल्यू होगी, या तो 0 होगा या तो कोई वैल्यू होगी. Why this one? या तो 0 होगा या फिर कोई वैल्यू होगी, क्योंकि कि हमने लाप्लासियन में क्या पढ़ा हुआ है कि लाप्लासियन इज यूज्ड इन द केस ऑफ स्पीच. अधिकतर टाइम में या तो मैं बोलूंगा या फिर नहीं बोलूंगा, बस दो ही केस हो सकती हैं, या तो बोलूंगा या नहीं बोलूंगा. तो अगर मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं मींस देयर इज अकरेंस ऑफ साइलेंस, देन दैट वैल्यू इज 0. और अगर मैं बोल रहा हूं देन दैट वैल्यू इज सम वैल्यूज, चाहे उसकी स्पीच हाई स्पीच हो या लो पिच हो, पिच मेरी लो हो या हाई हो, बट हैव सम वैल्यूज. So it is denoted by some values, but if there are occurrence of silence, then it is denoted by 0. So in the case of Laplacian transformation, Laplacian distributions, it is either 0 or any values for the given range. Like I say, from -2 to 2 range, we start from -2 and there is some silence. So this silence is on the 0. And after silence, I have given my speech. After complete my speech, there are some millisecond silence, and again my session will be completed. So the range is -2 to 2, but the distributions function, there is some silence and there are some non-silence. So silence is represented by 0 and we have given any speech and मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूं, in that case there is any values that is given by this values. And in the same we have studied like as a, see here in the figure, this one is a uniform, this one is a uniform, uniform is a this one. Again Gaussian and gamma. So Gaussian and gamma case, see, in the Gaussian distributions, it is mathematically tractable by virtue of the central limit theorem. Central limit theorem. And it can be argued that in the limit, the distributions of interest goes to the Gaussian distributions. Central of limit means this one, that the uh, Gaussian transformation. So this one is the central of limit. This one is the central of limit. And this one is the gamma transformation. So with the help of diagram, we can only understand what is the uniform, Gaussian, Laplacian and gamma transformation.